Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious oven baked chicken. Quick, easy and simple. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some assorted pieces of chicken, legs, wings and thighs already washed. Ketchup, some sweet baby raised barbecue sauce, some Japanese barbecue sauce, some mustard, fresh green seasoning, and for my dry seasonings I have chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, sazon, and seasoned salt. So the first thing you want to do is just start adding all the ingredients to your chicken. I will add 2 heaping tablespoons of my green seasoning. Then I will add the dry seasonings as well as the condiments. We will get in there with our hands, mix really well until everything is perfectly combined, and we'll cover and allow this to sit for about 2 to 4 hours. If you have time and you can let this go overnight, that would be perfect. After about 3 hours, I'll go ahead and assemble the chicken into a large baking dish. Then I will go over them with the sauce that was left inside of the bowl. Once they're nicely coated, I will cover with a piece of foil wrap and place this in a 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, the chicken looks amazing, but now we will place it back into the oven, this time uncovered so it can become nice and golden brown over top. Once it is done, you want to baste with the juices and get ready to plate with your favorite sides. Today, I did serve mine up with some Puerto Rican rice and bean and a fresh garden salad. It was absolutely amazing and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy